Hey guys, welcome back to Straight Outta Content. You are here today with Miss Alora, Mr. Straight Outta Content, our little daughter here. She is helping me with this amazing video to show you the difference between DTF and screen printing. So we're gonna be going through some facts with DTF. I'll be reading DTF side, and then Miss Alora will be reading the screen printing side. And she also has a YouTube channel. If you want to plug your channel, honey.
Okay, so I have a Lulu's Colorful World YouTube channel. It has a lot of subscribers, so go subscribe to that YouTube channel. And then my brand new YouTube channel, Lulu's TV.
Lulu's TV. And she says there's a lot of subscribers. Tell them how many subscribers.
I think now about 65,000.
65,000, way more than we got on here. So head on over to Lulu's Colorful World, subscribe, and also Lulu's TV. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video in our DTF versus screen printing. So we have our handy dandy notes here just so we don't get anything wrong on the DTF side or anything wrong on the screen printing side. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. So print quality versus DTF versus screen printing. So for DTF, we have it offers high resolution prints with immaculate details and vibrant colors. DTF is particularly efficient for detail and complex design. So with DTF, you can get those fine details and those vibrant colors. So what about screen printing's print quality?
Screen printing provides good quality, especially for simpler designs with solid colors. However, achieving fine details can be challenging.
Okay, so DTF versus screen printing. So to sum it up, DTF can do those fine details, but screen print,
it would be challenging.
Would be challenging. So one for DTF.
We'll have a little chart right there.
Yes, one for DTF. So if you are looking for non-details, screen printing is for you. If you're looking for details, DTF is for you. Let's go ahead and get into the next one. Okay, so for our next one is versatility. Versatility versus DTF versus
screen printing.
Screen printing. Okay, so for DTF printing, versatile and suitable for various materials, including fabric,
versatile.
What was the word?
Ceramic.
Okay, deep focus. Okay.
I already said it.
Okay, back. Okay, ceramic. I don't know why I always forget that word. Okay, for DTF printing, it's versatile and suitable for various amount of materials such as fabric, ceramic, and many more. It can handle intricate details and is well suited for customization. So what about our screen printing with the versatility?
Screen printing typically uses for fabric like t-shirts and posters, less versatile when compared to DTF, especially for detailed or small batch printing.
Nice. So this is telling us that it's not as versatile as DTF. So DTF can be put on, as it's saying, fabrics, bags, pillows, socks, jackets. So it's pretty versatile. It can go pretty much on all fabrics, and screen printing cannot. So that's why it's saying. So another one for DTF. DTF, more versatile. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get into our next one, which is setting up and preparation. So for our DTF, setting up and preparation requires setting up a digital file and preparing the film for printing. Generally, setup is quicker than traditional screen printing. Okay, so all you have to do is get your PNG file, send it to the printer, and it prints. Easy enough. What about screen printing?
Screen printing involves creating screens for each color in the design, which can be time-consuming and expensive for complex designs.
Wow. So for screen printing, let's say if you have something that has 3 colors in it, you have to make 3 different screens with 3 different colors for that one image. So it's not as, the setup and preparation is not as easy as DTF. So just a reminder, if you do have simpler colors, just one color, screen printing could work. But if you have details, multiple color, DTF is where you want to be. All right, fantastic. So let's go to the next one, which is cost efficiency. So the cost efficiency between DTF and screen printing. So let's see, cost effective for small, so this is DTF. It's gonna be cost effective for small and medium runs, provides flexibility with minimal setup costs. So at Flash Custom Transfers, we do not, we do not offer a setup fee. We do have fees if you want us to create your gang sheet, but not to order. We don't have a fee. So what about screen printing?
Screen printing is economically for large quantities due to the lower per unit costs. Initial setup cost and screen creation can be expensive for smaller orders.
Wow, is that right? Okay, so setup and preparation. So with screen printing, it can be economical for larger orders due to the lower cost per unit, but that initial setup and screen printing creation can be expensive, not at DTF land. All right, so good to know. But if you're doing 200 shirts with one color, that could be a good setup for you because it's quick and cheap because you're doing high volume. DTF, a little bit more expensive on that side versus screen print. All right, so number 5. Color options with DTF versus screen printing. I probably don't need to yell. Okay, so DTF, we offer a broad range of color options and capable of reproducing gradients and intricate color details accurately because those are created in a art software such as Adobe, and then these printers are very high quality and very efficient with the color, so it's able to get those really intricate details. So what about screen printing? Go ahead.
Screen printing is limited in the number of colors, especially for multicolored designs. Each color requires a separate screen and setup.
Oh man.
So it's just like way more time than you could just
So
do
the color options are not there. So they can't color match very well. They can't get those intricate details. So if you're looking for that specific color details, DTF is your man or game or bing, another one for DTF. All right, so turnaround time, DTF versus screen printing. For DTF generally has a quick turnaround time, making it suitable for projects with tight deadlines. So here at Flash Custom Transfers, if you need to meet a deadline, we do have those expedited options where you can print next day. What about screen printing?
Screen printing takes longer due to the setup and process, especially for multicolored designs, more suitable for a larger production run.
Okay, so screen printing takes longer to the setup process. And just imagine if you're doing 100 shirts, DTF wins again. But there is a place for screen printing, but if you want good quality color, fast turnaround time, intricate details, DTF is your man. All right, so what about environmental impact? Everybody wants to know, are you hurting the environment? Let's see. DTF printing can be more environmentally friendly depending on the inks used. So it's all about that ink, and we use water-based ink, so don't forget. Some DTF inks can be eco-friendly and may produce fewer chemicals and waste. You don't have to worry about that here at Flash Custom Transfer. We use eco-friendly inks. What about screen printing?
Traditionally, screen printing involves the use of more chemicals and water, potentially having a higher environmental impact.
Wow. So, screen prints out here using chemicals that can hurt the environment. Not DTF, water-based eco-friendly ink. Ding! All right, so ultimately the choice is between you. We're all done with that. Ultimately, the choice is up to you. There is a place for DTF and there is a place for screen printing in everybody's world. Screen printing shops, you need a DTF printer just as an asset. I mean, not an asset, just as an accessory to get those intricate details. If you need to put some colors on the sleeves, anything you need. But there is a place for everything. That's just the quick compare and contrast screen print versus DTF. I will go with DTF all day, every day. But you know, that's me, just owner, operator of Flash Custom Transfers. All right, so stay tuned for more videos to come, and head on over to Flash Custom Transfers because we're about to do another video over there. Thank you again, Miss Laura, for joining us, and we will see you next time. Bye.